everyone, welcome to another edition of Tween Tuesday. Today we are going to be making sidewalk foam paint. So what you are going to need for this is 2 bottles of school glue, 1 cup of flour, 4 to 5 cups of regular shaving cream, some food coloring, any colors of your choice, a gallon Ziploc bag, 4 sandwich size bags, and a pair of scissors. So the first thing we're going to do is grab our gallon bag and we are going to add the 1 cup of flour. Then we are going to add both of the bottles of glue. So just squeeze them on in there. Try to get as much out as you can. Okay, now we are going to add the shaving cream. You can try to eyeball the shaving cream, or you can pour it into the cup and kind of use I have like a spatula-y thing here that I'm gonna use to just get it out. So you need 4 to 5 cups of shaving cream. So that's 1. I think I'm going to eyeball the rest. It's just easier. About 3 and about 4. Okay. Now you are going to close the bag and you are going to knead it all together. So I'm going to leave a little, try to get the air out. Okay, so mix it all together. Just mix it up really well. Gotta get that shaving cream to go down there and mix in. Okay, and when you think you have it all mixed up really well, we're going to transfer it to our other baggies. And I'm just going to show you in one baggie. So what you're going to do, make sure you have your small baggie ready. And you're going to snip off a corner of the large Ziploc bag, like this, to make a hole. And then we're going to take it and we're going to make sure the hole is inside the small baggie, and we're going to squeeze some of the mixture out. And so then you can divide it into how many, as many different baggies as you want, depending on how many colors you want. Okay. So see, we squeezed it inside there. Now we're going to take our food coloring. I'm going to choose blue. And we're going to put about 10 drops of food coloring in the small bag. Okay. Then we're going to seal this bag. Make sure we get the air out. And then we're going to mix the color into the foam paint. So we're going to mix this one. Mix, mix, mix. Okay, now we can use it. So you can either transfer this to like a squeezy bottle and use it that way, or you can just use it straight from the baggie. So you want to get the corner again and make a little snip to open it up, just enough for some to come out. And then you're going to go ahead and you can squeeze it and use it like you would chalk right on your driveway. See? Just like that. Perfect. Okay. Thank you for watching our Tween Tuesday Sidewalk Foam Paint. Bye.